In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake pad sensor on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. When we go to take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. Grab the wheel and slide it off. Disconnect the connector right here. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers just to help. You could grab it with your fingers if you can reach in there. Then the other side, you can grab right there with the needle nose pliers. Just squeeze and try to pull it out. There we go. Slide it out. There's a little clip here. If the clip fell in, take that out. All right, take the sensor with the needle nose pliers, line this up. And just push it in place. Take the connector, line it up. And if you need to, you can use the needle nose pliers to push it on. Lock it down. Take the wheel, slide it in place. Take the lug bolts, get those started. Snug that one down, then put the other ones in. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts down to 95 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.